Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Xinhua Band is comprised of percussionists and music teachers from Kaohsiung. In the early stages, the group explored pop music, but later began adding Hakka music to their repertoire. They changed the public's perspective of Hakka music from old and boring to new and catchy. Since 2007, they've been working with the Kaohsiung Hakka Affairs Commission and have held concerts at various universities, such as the Kaohsiung Medical University and National Kaohsiung Marine University. They've mostly held concerts in the Kaohsiung Pingdong area and at the Liutui Hakka Cultural Park, and have gained a lot of praise from the local community.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是你的 DJ Josephine。
哎，
你是阿斌哥，我是 DJ 嘛？
是的，对啊。
Time for another edition where Leo talks about people, places, and culture. 今天是要介绍人事还是物呢？
今天介绍一个乐团好了，
要谈音乐了，对不对？
对呀。
哪一个团体啊？
他们乐团的名称就叫做行啊乐团。
行啊乐团是台南、高雄、屏东，
在高雄地区。
高雄
Tiki
哦，高雄。到底这个团呢，它是什么样？
它是从那个96年开始啊，利用工作闲暇之余来做的一个客家的音乐乐团。主要做的音乐的内容呢，就是把那个热门音乐跟客家歌曲做相结合。
Good. So it sounds like it's more of a new group. They formed back in about 2007, so they've been around for about 7 years now. And the band members actually have a full-time job, a daytime job, and whenever they have time, they would jam together and produce some pop music in Hakka. 当然会跟客语来结合的一些流行音乐了，对不对？
然后他们在高雄地区也做一个公开的表演啊，比如说那个六堆客家文化演区啊，六堆客家文化园区啊，还有一些什么高雄的各个大学这些地区来表演。
Okay, so from time to time, you might be able to see them perform at various venues in southern Taiwan, like at colleges in Kaohsiung, or also at the Liutui Hakka Cultural Festival. There's a place where you can find them too. But in the meantime, if you want to find out more about them, you can go online and Google them. It's 新瓦乐团。
行啊乐团，
行啊乐团 who loves to play 流行音乐。顺便教一下。
流行音乐，
音乐 oh that's 音乐 that's
对
music
音乐
but 流行就是流行嘛
对
that's
流行
popular so 流行音乐 hopefully you'll be able to enjoy their music real soon again they're called 新瓦乐团 and that does it for today's Talk About Hakka
什么大家
安子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.